World Crocodile Day is observed on June 17th every year. For the first time, it was observed in the year 2017. It is actually an awareness campaign to highlight the plight of these endangered species. Not much is mentioned about the significance of this day on the internet. So let us take this opportunity to understand the crocodile species in India. So in this video, we look at the 3 species of crocodile that are found in India, their habitats, their IUCN status and various conservation programs in this regard. It will be very short and mostly facts based video, so stay tuned. India is home to 3 crocodilian species. They are the mugger, or also called as the marsh crocodile, the estuarine or saltwater crocodile, and lastly the gharial. Let us take up one by one. The mugger, which is also called as the marsh crocodile or broad snouted crocodile. It's actually a freshwater species found mainly in rivers and lakes. It can be found in many parts of India and also in southern Iran, and it has already gone extinct in Bhutan and Myanmar, and it has been listed as vulnerable on the IUCN Red List. Among the 3 species which are found in India, this species is said to be the most dangerous one. Like mentioned earlier, these species are found throughout the Indian subcontinent. These include the states of Rajasthan, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Telangana and even Karnataka. You can briefly pause the video and go through important rivers or states in which these species are found. Next in line is the gharial, which is also called as the fish-eating crocodile. Well, the important point to note here is that this species is native to the Indian subcontinent. Presently, a very small number of these species can be found in India, Bangladesh and Nepal. These species can be uniquely distinguished from the other species with the help of their long, thin snouts. These crocodiles are relatively harmless and their presence is a good indicator of clean river water. In India, they are mostly found in freshwaters of many Himalayan rivers including Ramganga, Girva, Ghagra and Gandak. But more importantly, the Chambal river, which is on the northern slopes of the Vindhya mountains, is known as the primary habitat of these species. The population of gharial has declined drastically since 1930s and today it is limited to only 2% of its historical range. As a result, it is classified as critically endangered on the IUCN Red List. And lastly, we have the saltwater crocodile, which is also the Earth's largest living crocodile species. This crocodile can be found along the eastern coast of India and also in Southeast Asia. It is classified as least concern on the IUCN list of threatened species. In India, these species can be mainly found in Odisha's Bhitarkanika National Park, Sundarbans in the West Bengal and on the coasts of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Various programs have already been implemented and some are under implementation to conserve the crocodile species in India. When it comes to conservation, Odisha stands first in this line. But please note here, Odisha is the only state in India to have all the 3 species of crocodiles found in India. And therefore, it has implemented conservation programs for the conservation of all these 3 species, that is the gharial, saltwater and even mugger. And next we have the Baula project. Please note here, Baula is the Oriya term for saltwater crocodile. The place where this project is being executed is the Dangmal, which is in Bhitarkanika sanctuary. And likewise we have the mugger project at Ram Tirtha. Please note, Ram Tirtha is a place near Simplipal National Park in Odisha. Under this project, juveniles of mugger were procured from the state of Tamil Nadu and introduced here. And there is also a similar project for gharials at Tikarpada in Odisha. And lastly, captive breeding of all the 3 species is being done at Nandankanan Zoo. So with all these efforts, the 3 species of crocodiles have been saved from the brink of extinction. And more importantly, local people have been involved in the conservation projects of these species.